everyone. Namaskar from space. I'm thrilled to be here with my fellow astronauts, as Peggy said, one veteran and three rookies. And wow, what a ride it was. Frankly, when I was sitting in the capsule in Grace yesterday on the launch pad, my only thought in my mind was that let's just go. After 30 days of quarantine, it was a feeling that I just wanted to go. The excitement and all was, probably far away. It was just the feeling that let's just leave here. But when the ride started, it was something like you getting pushed back into the seat. It was an amazing ride. And then suddenly, nothing. Everything silenced, and you were just floating. You unbuckle, and you were just floating in the silence of vacuum. It was an amazing feeling. I wanted to take this opportunity to thank everyone who has been a part of this. I understand that this is not a personal accomplishment. It is a collective achievement of each and every one of you who has been a part of this journey, and to make this possible, I really want to thank each one of you. Also to family and friends, your support has mattered so much. This is so much because of all of you guys. We showed you joy and grace. This is swan, a great symbol. It looks really cute, but we have a very important swan in our Indian culture, which we are about. Swan symbolizes wisdom. It also has the ability to discern it should be focused on and what. So this means a lot more, not just a zero-G indicator for us. And I think that we all have symbolism in Poland and in Hungary, in India as well. So I think this looks like a coincidence, but it is not. That it has more meaning than what we are attaching it to it. The capsule itself, Grace, has been very kind. I was not feeling very great when we, got shot into the vacuum. But since yesterday, I've been told that I've been sleeping a lot, which is a good sign. So I think that's a great sign. I'm getting used to this quite well, enjoying the views, enjoying the entire experience, learning like a baby, learning the new steps, learning how to walk, learning how to control yourself, everything, learning how to eat, I think. So it's a new environment, new challenge, and I'm really enjoying this experience with my fellow astronauts here. And it's good to make mistakes, but it's better to see somebody else do that too. So, so it has been a fun time up here. That is all I have to say. Thank you so much, guys, for making this happen, and I'm sure that we are going to have a great time. And with this, I will hand over to Tibor now.
Ride, as Shuk said. We were actually only a few seconds away from a few more days of quarantine. So even though we were sitting basically almost 3 hours in our capsule, our new capsule, and those times could be sometimes a little bit boring, we had those minutes and seconds when it was actually very, very exciting, even before the launch. When the launch happened, it was a feeling that I could not predict.
Welcome, Earthlings, from Grace. We are in the newest capsule, Dragon capsule, and we are very happy with her. She's got a little bit of a new spacecraft smell, and we're loving her a bunch. It's so much fun to be up in space again. Always fun to be in space, but it's really fun to be in space with 3 new astronauts. And they've got a lot to share with you, but we just wanted to welcome you on board Grace.
And we are here not only 4 of us, but we have with us our zero-G indicator, Joy, that started to float with us just when we injected into orbit. Joy is floating with us all over the capsule, so sometimes we have to find him and her here with us. But it's an amazing feeling to be in orbit for the first time. When I unbuckled for the first time, I didn't feel 100%, but then everything settled, and when I looked out through the window for the first time, the view was just stunning.
Where we are?
Now we are flying over Europe. We have just before this conference, we saw passing Italy, Sicily, the Greek islands, and the Balkans, and now we are going a bit slightly up north, so towards Hungary and Poland a bit on the side. So yes, this is a great moment to be able to see back on Europe, on home, on our countries, and yes, Maggie, you can show the view through the window. Okay. And over to Shooks.